In this tutorial, you will learn how to create Ink Smudge Effect in Photoshop CC. But before we start, take a moment to like the video and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos. For this effect, you will need a photo of your choice, a few ink smudge graphics, and custom brush presets that you can download from Google or use the ones provided with this tutorial. To start, we will create a new document. For this tutorial, we'll go with the A4 size. Now bring in an image you want to use. Resize it to make the face fit in the center of the document. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery. Select Dry Brush under Artistic. Depending on your image size, you will have to play with the values. Press OK when done. Press Command A to select all and press Command C to copy. Create a new folder and add a layer mask to it. Holding Option, click on the layer mask to edit it. Press Command V and paste the image in the layer mask. Go to Image, Adjustments, Curves. Darken the image by dragging the lower slider. Press OK and press Command I to invert the colors of the mask. Disable the original layer by clicking the eye icon next to it. Now we'll bring in the ink graphics that we found on Google earlier. Put it in the folder that we created earlier and change the blending mode to multiply. Now you can transform the layer to better fit what you want to be visible. Bring in as many ink graphics as you desire. Next, we will bring back some color from original image. Re-enable it and bring it to the front. Change the blending mode to multiply. Add a layer mask to it and make it black. Now select the layer mask and select brush. Click on the brush preset picker icon and click on the gear icon. Click Import Brushes. Navigate to our brush preset file and click OK. Now find the newly added folder, click on it and pick one of the brushes. Adjust the size and pick the color white for the brush. Now add a few strokes to bring in the color from the image. Further tailor out the levels by adding a levels adjustment layer. Do you like adding hand-painted effects to your photos?